Hi guys, I'm Ashley.
And I'm Liz.
Welcome back to
Dancing in the Kitchen.
So we are talking currently about fiber.
We are.
And today we're going to dive into some different forms of fiber.
Mm-hmm.
So the forms of fiber that you may most commonly hear about are soluble and insoluble fiber. And the way I like to think about this is basically like digestible and indigestible fiber.
Okay.
And the reason is because soluble fiber will turn into like a gel-like substance in your intestinal tract when you add water to it.
Okay.
Whereas insoluble fiber will not. It's like the bulk in your food that can't be digested, and so it just sort of sweeps everything clean.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good description.
So yeah, you want both forms of fiber because they kind of have slightly different purposes. So soluble fiber, again, slows sugar absorption. It kind of helps slow the rate at which things move through your system and the sugar gets into your blood. And then the insoluble fiber, getting my wires crossed, the insoluble fiber, because it's not digestible, it just, again, sort of acts like a broom.
Well, chimney sweep there. Okay. Mm-hmm. Great.
And then a couple of other things to know about fiber before we jump into our recipe for today are prebiotic fiber we've talked about before. That is the soluble fiber. So when we talk about prebiotics, usually we're talking about soluble fibers. So this could be things like asparagus, artichokes, beans, things that will break down to some extent and kind of become that gel-like substance. And the prebiotic fibers provide food not only for our bodies, but for the healthy bacteria in our gut. And another form of fiber that you might want to know about is resistant starch.
Ooh, I don't know about this.
Well, so usually when we think about starches, there's something that we want to somewhat avoid because starchy foods feed the bad bugs in our gut. But resistant starch is actually a form of fiber that we can't digest, we can't break down, and it's prebiotic and it feeds the healthy bugs. And it leads to the formation of short-chain fatty acids that help reduce inflammation in our system.
Nice.
Yeah, so now you know some various forms of fiber to get into your diet. And so the food we're going to focus on today, this is one of my favorite yummy, healthy snacks.
It is. You do like this.
I do. It's chia. So we're going to make a delicious chia pudding. And chia, in addition to many other health benefits, is a great source of both soluble and insoluble fiber.
Nice. I usually put it in my smoothies.
Yeah, you can use it for a lot of purposes like that. And when you put things like chia and flax in smoothies, again, it helps slow down that sugar absorption so you don't get as big of a blood sugar spike.
Nice.
Nice.
Let's get to it.
Yeah, well, first, though, we have a song that you wrote.
We do.
And this song, I believe, is called Free People.
Free People, yes. If you tuned in last time, you will know that Good Energy was part of my band Paint the Muse, and this was our first single, Free People, which came out in 2016-ish. It's really cool. It's been on commercials and in TV and a whole bunch of campaigns. I've been really lucky with it, and we'll share it with you today.
Nice. Yeah, we're going to groove to it while we get cooking, so let's do it.
Cool.
Let's make it up as we go along. We've come this far, we can do no wrong. We're just two kids out having fun. Two lost souls out on the run. Make believe and sugar streets. Kicking up dust out from our feet. We can do anything we want. Try and stop us, see what comes. We are the only. We are the only ones. We are free, free, free people, free people, free, free, free people, free people. Daddy told me to myself be true. This is the kind of life I choose. My people, free people. Living out loud, gonna make some noise. Rash and dirty, not pretty and poised. You can call us renegades, but it's my life, it's my way. Puff that paint, can you spare some change? If you don't like it, look the other way. I can't be what what you want me to.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Oh, I guess not hi, because bye, right? We're gonna say
Hello
bye.
again.
Hello again.
Hello again.
We are back,
We are.
and we are curious to know how you like to prepare your chia pudding. So I personally like to put a little bit of fruit on top, like blueberries, raspberries. It helps provide additional fiber and sweetness.
Yes.
I find that if I use a little bit of fruit for a garnish, that it can lessen the amount of sugar that I need to put in to kind of get that sweetness.
Nice.
Yeah.
I like to add a little honey, which is adding more sweetness, but still it's good.
The honey can help with reducing allergens in the
Oh,
environment too.
nice.
Our sensitivity to those allergens. And I'm curious to know in the comments below, how do you like your chia pudding?
And what do you put them in? Yeah, like chia seeds in general. So
Yeah, and we've talked before about batch cooking, and chia pudding is something you can make like several servings and then just eat them throughout the week,
Yeah.
which I think is super handy. And one little note that I forgot to mention earlier when we were talking about fiber, you want to take a lot of water with your fiber. So it's important to have liquid with fiber in order to prevent yourself from becoming constipated and to keep sweeping that fiber through
very
your
good
system.
note. Yeah, very good note.
Got to stay hydrated. All right. Well, on that note, we hope you enjoyed our recipe
Yes.
and Liz's
And
amazing
free
Free People
people.
song.
Yeah.
And we will see you next time here on Dancing in the Kitchen.
Bye.
Be the change, oh, be the cause. Be the change, oh, be the cause. Free to be whoever you choose. Be the painter, be the muse. Be the painter, be the muse. Be the painter, be the muse. Be the painter,